my name is Maddie.
And my name is Kate.
Today we are going to show you how to grow a big bean sprout. First, we need equipment. The equipment are 2 bowls of green beans. We also need water, 2 spoons, a pair of scissors, 2 funnels, 2 empty boxes of soil. We can grow the big bean sprout. First, you must pour the water. You soak for 6 hours. While you're waiting, you can cut the box. After you finish 6 hours, you must open the cover. Put 1 funnel inside. Put the soap beans. It's a little sticky at times. Now we just put our last spoon in. After we pour the beans, we must pour water into the box. Funnel up, and then we must cover. We have to drain the water out until finished. You must put it in a big tub like this, or else the water will flow out. If you put it in a small tub, the water will flow out. Because sometimes there might be too much water. Don't let the beans come out. After that, you must shake until you make sure all the beans went down to the bottom of the box. Point here. So, you must pour the water in and out twice a day.
1 in the morning
and 1 in the evening. You must do it for 4 days to get the big bean sprout. 2 days later, you will see baby bean sprouts like this growing up. Remember, every day you must pour the water in and out twice a day. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. You must do it for 4 days. Is it full yet? After that, you must cover the cap and then drain the water out. Now we don't have to shake because it's full already. You must cut the box to see how the bean sprouts look like. After that, after you cut the box, you must shake the bean sprouts out. Oops. Raining. Take out all the bean sprouts, even the green. This is all the bean sprouts we made. And see you in our next video. Bye bye.
See you in my next video. Bye bye.
The next video is gonna be Morning Glory Microgreen. Please subscribe.